Today we'll be making a pie in honor of National Velvet. A velvet pie in honor of Velvet and Piebold, or Velvet and Pie in the 1944 movie with Mickey Rooney and Elizabeth Taylor, or of course the book that I'm holding here by Enid Bagnold with Velvet and Piebold. All I know is it's going to be scrumptious, and I know you're going to love it. So let's get on with baking. For this recipe, you will need 1 8-inch prepared chocolate crumb crust. I happen to choose Oreo, Hershey Special Dark, mildly sweet, dark chocolate baking chips, a 12-ounce package, and no, we're not sponsored, an 8-ounce package of mascarpone cheese, 1 teaspoon lemon juice from, per se, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of fresh coffee, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup whipping cream, which of course we're going to whip. Now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to take these chips, which I put in this bowl, and microwave them until they're melted. I'm going to put them in the microwave to start about a minute and then do 30-second intervals. Here's the microwave. I'm just going to put this in the microwave for a minute and then stir it up. So here it is. I did it for a minute and 30 seconds, and it's all nice and soft. Now I'll let it cool while I continue on to the next step. But it's definitely cooked, melted enough. I'll just set it aside. Next, we're going to whip the mascarpone with the lemon juice and the vanilla. And mascarpone, it's not as sharp as the cream cheese, so it needs some lemon juice to bring the flavor up a little. Just squeeze this a little. Take this off. Vanilla, and we'll whip it up. Whip it good. There, that's good. And now the chocolate has cooled down some, but let's just add a little. That's good. Now we'll add the rest of it. This pie is really easy. Tastes really good. We have to mix this all till it's nice and light in color. And now we want to add that 1 teaspoon of coffee. The coffee is really just going to enrich the chocolate flavor, which is what you want, especially if you love chocolate. And now I have to clean off the beaters to prepare for the whipped cream. Okay, so I have whipped my whipped cream, and now I need to fold this into my chocolate mixture. So I'll just add some and fold it in. Add some more, fold it in, you get the idea. See, it's getting all folded in. Here's the pie. All set, all set to go in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or I should say a minimum of 2 hours, or until firm. So the pie is set. And here we have the sweetened whipped cream, where I combined the 1 cup whipped cream with 1/3 cup of confectioner's sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and whipped it up. Now it's time to put it on the pie. Now you could do this in a variety of ways. An easy way would be, of course, to just take it and put it on with a spatula. So we could just use this. So, here is the pie I made. It's something special, let me tell you. Doesn't it remind you of velvet? You know, 'cause it's velvet's pie. Piebold. And if you haven't seen the movie National Velvet or read the book, I suggest you do it, and you should definitely make the recipe, because this is yummy. With the sweetened whipped cream, don't you just want to take a bite? I know I do. And if you do happen to make this recipe, why don't you just let me know with the hashtag Bookworm Delectables so I can just see that good old pie that you made. Because maybe you did the decorations better than me, or you did some spectacular treat. Because velvet pie. Or maybe even Thanksgiving. I'll have all the information down below for National Velvet, the movie, and the book. And until next time, oh, and if you have any ideas for any books or what you'd like to see me make, let me know in your comments down below, because you know I'd love to hear what you have to say. And I definitely want to hear if you make the pie. You can contact me on Twitter or Instagram. Always have an ear open for you. You all come back now, you hear?